First, you'll need to measure your spotting scope's eyepiece diameter. You can do this using calipers for the most precise measurement, or a flexible measuring tape if that's what you have on hand. Using the MagView spotting scope fitment chart, use your measurement to determine which MagView model is the correct fit for your optic. Inside the box, you'll find two packages. One contains the MagView adapter and phone plate. The other includes a variety of spacers and reducer rings. Scan the QR code on the package to access full installation instructions. Start by opening the box with the reducer rings and spacers. Now, try different reducer rings on your eyepiece until you find the one that fits snugly, not too tight, and not too loose. Notice there is a bevel on one side of the reducer. This is to match with the surface of the eye relief spacer, and this bevel will face down when installed into the adapter. Next, choose an eye relief spacer. We recommend most users start with a medium thickness, but this spacer can be changed depending on user preference. Loosen the screw on the MagView adapter. Insert the eye relief spacer so the number is facing up, and the reducer ring is in the correct orientation, making sure the gap in both spacers align with the small internal notch. Make sure the spotting scope eyepiece is adjusted all the way down, then slide the adapter onto your eyepiece, positioning the open cap at a slight angle below horizontal. Tighten the screw just enough to hold it firmly in place. Do not over-tighten. Your MagView S1 Mini is now ready to use with the included phone plate.